Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Associate Professor IR Dr. Fadhlan Hafizhelmi Kamaru Zaman from Vehicle Intelligence and Telematics Lab in UiTM Shah Alam. So today I'm going to present our innovation in International Virtual Expo of Innovation Product and System Design 2023. Our product is called Intelligent Connected Digital Video Recorder, or in short Ic-Dvr. So this product is developed in collaboration with MOSTI, Amtel, Cellular Sdn Bhd, and also with Malaysian Institute of Road Safety Research, or MIROS. So this is my presentation outline. First, I'm going to introduce you with the inventors of this product, and then we are going to look at the problem statements and methodology used in this product, and also after that we're going to look at the product demonstration, product impact and benefit, market survey and competitors, commercialization potential, and finally the intellectual properties. So as for the introduction, this team consists of 7 researchers from UiTM. So I myself is the team lead, and the team members are Associate Professor IR Dr. Husna Zainol Abidin, IR Dr. Syahrul Afzal Abdullah, TS Dr. Lucyantie Mazalan, IR Dr. Kok Mun, and we have 2 research assistants, Muhammad Firdaus bin Ishak, and also Ahmad Muqri Aqil bin Mazlan. And this research is conducted at Vehicle Intelligence and Telematics Lab, where this lab is established in collaboration with Amtel Cellular Sdn Bhd under the Micro Industry Hub initiative at UiTM. Right. So our product that we are presenting today actually addressing the problems such as distracted driving, where distracted driving is defined by the NHTSA as any activity that diverts attention from driving. So in particular, mobile phone usage, for example, distract driver in several ways. It causes physical distraction, visual distraction, cognitive distraction, and also auditory distractions. Another critical distraction while driving is drowsiness. I think everyone knows that how micro sleep can be disastrous during driving. It can cause terrible accidents, and we have seen a lot of cases where people are injured or even death because of micro sleep, okay, while handling the vehicle. So driver performance depreciates significantly, resulting in higher risk of motor vehicle collision in those conditions. So in specific, there are 3 problems that we are going to tackle in this product. Number 1, distracted driving, which can completely impair the driver's ability and cause serious accidents. Number 2, we know that there are advanced driver assistance system, or ADAS, but they are only present in newer and top of the range models, and not all vehicle or all cars on the road has this ADAS system. And if we are talking about the aftermarket solution, it is very difficult and costly to equip these ADAS technologies on existing vehicles, so because it requires modification to the electrical and mechanical system. So as a solution to this problem, we are proposing a digital video recorder. So everyone knows digital video recorder, or DVR, or we can call it as a dash cam, which is used in the car, in the vehicle. So we can use this device to prevent driving distraction and reducing the risk of accidents. Let's look at the methodology used in this invention. So basically, the Ic-Dvr that we are proposing will have an internal camera that is pointing towards the driver. Okay, whereby we are going to activate the intelligent module in this Ic-Dvr using face detection. So whenever the driver is present at the wheel, then we are going to look into the behavior of the driver, and a state-of-the-art models, AI models called Inception V3 combined with the long short-term memory network or STM will be analyzing the image or the face acquired by the face detection module, and then it will be making decision regarding the behavior of the driver, whether they are normal, or it is distracted or drowsy, or using phone, for example, for calling and so on. And these behavior later will be used to calculate the driving score, the driver score, in the driving score calculation module. And with the GPS coordinates acquired through the GPS sensor in the DVR, and we can compile all the information regarding the position, the location, the driving score, and the behavior into what we call driving behavior data. And we can format the message into JSON format and send to the cloud, which is going through 5G hat that we employ in this innovation. And this hat will communicate with 5G base station, and the network that we're using is over Celcom and Yes 5G network. And this base station, then we can send the data to AWS cloud, and where the data will be stored. And for further analysis of the data, we have the dashboard for data analytics. And of course, in the car itself, whenever we detected, or the DVR detects that the driver is distracted, we're going to send an alert in the form of beeping sounds, okay, from the DVR, so that the driver can be alerted that he is currently doing something dangerous for the driving, and can stop. For example, like if the driver is micro sleeping, and the DVR can instantly alert the driver by playing the sounds or the beep from the DVR. So that is practically how the invention works. And here we can see a demo on how the AI model, specifically the model to detect the driving behavior. Here we can see that a driver present in front of the camera, and here it shows the behavior as normal, and you can see the confidence actually represent how confident is the model in classifying the behavior. And also we assign driver score for further analysis of how the driver behave along the roads. So for example, like if the driver is showing yawning, okay, then the model can detect so that the person is yawning. And also, for example, if he is feeling sleepy and keep nodding, and then the AI model can also detect this nodding behavior. That can show that the driver is actually having problem to maintain his focus due to the sleepiness. And also, if the driver is not attentive enough towards the driving, for example, like he is consistently talking with the passenger, or not looking straight, and this model also can identify this behavior. Alright. So another example is when using mobile phones for calling. Okay, we can also detect this behavior. Right. And this is a demo on the dashboard. Okay, this dashboard is actually deployed on Amazon Web Services, and we can see the driving history along with the position. That's why we can have the position on the map or the location on the map, showing the path that has been taken. And also we can with each points on the path, we can also look into more details on the driving behavior. So the behavior are stored in the cloud. So I think it is important if this innovation to be used in, for example, in transportation by transportation companies, where the employers would like to assess their drivers' performance. So the driving behavior can really give the employers some very important knowledge, okay, as to whether the drivers are actually performing good driving behavior or otherwise. And then this innovation can also be equipped with other capabilities like, for example, to measure the speed of the vehicle, so we can know that the driver is following the speed limit or not. So you can imagine like a CCTV in a vehicle, okay, for commercial purpose in transportation services. So this is a good way to make sure that the driver would maintain a good driving behavior. So rather than speeding or sleeping behind the wheel or eating using phone, so they can refrain from doing that in order to get good recognition by the employers. So this is one way we can safeguard or increase the safety on the roads. So basically, this is the dashboard which has been deployed in AWS and can be accessed anywhere over the internet. Right. So this is a short demo of how the prototype actually working in the lab. Okay, and the driver is showing a number of behavior there, and you can see the model which is deployed here can detect successfully detect the behaviors being shown. And this is another demonstration whereby we put the prototype in a car and we drive around UITM to see the performance of the detectors, and also to see whether the data can be sent in real time over 5G to the cloud. And in this demonstration, we have successfully deployed the prototype into the car and also managed to detect, and at the same time in real time we can get the position information, the behavior information to be displayed on the dashboard, okay, while driving around the campus. So basically this is how it looks while we are testing this prototype in the vehicle. Right. Okay. So that is about the product demo in the vehicle, right? So next, we are going to look into the product impact and benefit. Of course, the main problem that we are going to tackle here is how we can increase the safety on the road for the road users. So basically, the number of accidents, are increasing day by day. That is the direct impact of this invention is actually to increase the safety on the road, to reduce the risk of accidents. Of course, this will translate into, for example, SDG number 3, which is the good health and well-being. And also in terms of industry and innovation and infrastructure, this innovation can actually represent an innovative solution that can enhance road safety and can contribute to the development of smart transportation infrastructure. And in terms of sustainability, sustainable cities and communities, this innovation can also create safer urban environments and promote sustainable cities, okay, by reducing accidents, congestions, and also associated environmental impact. But along the way, we are going to look into also the employment in automotive sectors, in terms of artificial intelligence expert, creation of new business, in manufacturing of the hardware and the assembly and the design of a new software for this particular innovation. And in terms of socio-economy, we are looking into direct contribution of government policy in 10 miles SDIE socio-economic driver. By introducing low-cost system, we can also at the same time gather some important data to really understand the driving behavior of Malaysian driver especially, and societal well-being by mitigating these road accidents, creation of new IP, and also we can also benefit from change in insurance sector. This is something that probably going to happen in the future if this innovation or similar innovation is well accepted by the communities. So probably we are going to see quite a number of change in the future, especially in these insurance sectors. And in terms of market survey and competitors, we have identified actually DVR product from China, and we can compare with our commercial partners, which is Amtel Cellular Sdn Bhd. So basically, Amtel is a certified supplier for DVR products to Podua, and they have OEM contracts with Podua, and recently they also win I think contract with Proton for their new vehicle. Okay, and this actually is a significant advantage by itself compared to this DVR product from China, where this DVR product from China can be considered as aftermarket segment, but Amtel can provide this solution in terms of OEM market as well as aftermarket segments. And in terms of price, it can be quite competitive, but in terms of the quality of the product, okay, and also these intelligent features that we include in this innovation can actually increase the value of this particular intelligent digital video recorder. And we have also done SWOT analysis to look into this comparison between our partners and also product from China, whereby the product from China can be cheap, but we have a strategic partnership with national car makers, and also we have this advantage in terms of product support, in terms of warranty, and in terms of interest from, I think, in Malaysian drivers, actually there are increasing number of people who would like to have this dash cam or DVR in their vehicle. So that is basically on the market survey that we have done, and we can see that there's a lot of or a big opportunity for this kind of product to be accepted by the market. And again, when I mentioned about our commercial partners, we actually have established a lab with Amtel in UiTM, and we signed the MOA with them in June 2020 before developing this product. And you can see that the potential customer beside the for personal use or individual use, okay, we can see a bigger market in terms of for example, logistic or transportation companies that might be interested to use this solution. For example, like JNT Express, Infinity or Tionam, these are big transportation or logistic companies whereby they should be putting priority in terms of increasing the safety of their drivers, so that these transportation or activities will not introduce higher accidents or higher risk of accidents on the roads. And of course, with the strategic partnership between Amtel and Proton and Podua, we can also foresee that Proton and Podua most probably willing to include these intelligent features in their dash cam or DVR in the future. And in terms of intellectual properties, we have one copyright with my IPO, and we have also filed last year another copyright but still haven't received it. And we are also in the middle of filing a patent, and this is the patent search report provided by our patent agent Pro IP for University Technology Mara, and we are expected to complete the filing by maybe in August. Okay, and in terms of publication, we have two published conference papers, and there are also another two has been accepted in the next in another conference is going to happen in August. So this is our team, vital team with our partners, Amtel Cellular Sdn Bhd, and we have a strong team with diverse capabilities, diverse background and capabilities. I think that's all for me. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Thank you.